Hello and welcome to this video where I'll be sharing with you 5 ways to make money on TikTok. TikTok has become a global sensation with millions of active users, and it has provided a platform for many people to make money online. So, if you want to learn how to make money on TikTok, keep watching. Tip 1. TikTok Creator Fund. The first way to make money on TikTok is through the TikTok Creator Fund. This is a program launched by TikTok to support and reward its creators for their content. To join the Creator Fund, you need to have at least 100,000 followers, be 18 years or older, and have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Once you're accepted into the Creator Fund, you can earn money based on the views, engagement, and impressions of your videos. TikTok pays its creators a share of the revenue generated from ads shown on their videos. The amount you earn depends on your engagement rate, the number of views you get, and the region you're in. Tip 2. Influencer Marketing. The second way to make money on TikTok is through influencer marketing. Brands are always looking for influencers to promote their products and services, and TikTok is no exception. As a TikTok influencer, you can partner with brands and create sponsored content for them. To get started with influencer marketing, you need to have a good following, engagement rate, and a niche that aligns with the brand's target audience. You can reach out to brands yourself or use influencer marketing platforms to connect with brands looking for TikTok influencers. Tip 3. Affiliate Marketing. The third way to make money on TikTok is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of marketing where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. TikTok is a great platform to promote affiliate products because of its engaging content format. To get started with affiliate marketing, you need to find a product or service that aligns with your niche and audience. You can then create videos promoting the product and include your affiliate link in the description. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Tip 4. Live Streaming. The fourth way to make money on TikTok is through live streaming. TikTok Live is a feature that allows creators to go live and interact with their audience in real time. You can make money on TikTok Live through virtual gifts. Virtual gifts are digital items that viewers can buy and send to creators during their live streams. To make money through live streaming, you need to have at least 1,000 followers and be 18 years or older. You can then go live and engage with your audience while they send you virtual gifts. TikTok pays its creators a share of the revenue generated from the virtual gifts. Tip 5. Selling Products. The fifth way to make money on TikTok is through selling products. TikTok has a feature called TikTok Shop that allows creators to sell their own products on the platform. You can create your own e-commerce store within TikTok and sell products related to your niche. To get started with selling products on TikTok, you need to have a product or service to sell. You can then create videos promoting your products and include a link to your e-commerce store in the description. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn money. So, those are the 5 ways to make money on TikTok. Whether you want to join the Creator Fund, do influencer marketing, affiliate marketing, live streaming, or sell products, TikTok provides an opportunity for you to make money and grow your brand. Remember, success on TikTok takes time and effort, but with consistency and hard work, you can build a following and monetize your content. So, which of these 5 ways to make money on TikTok will you be trying out? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.